Now that you've received your sales sleeve, let's go over a few things that'll help you install it really quickly. First, what you're going to want to do indoors on a flat surface is install your document inside the sales sleeve. Center the document, and now you're ready to put it on the window. Let's clean and prep the window using a lint-free rag and any window cleaner of your choice. Make sure the window's free of debris and all lint. And now you're ready to install the sleeve. Peel the paper back about an inch, making sure your seal strip is towards the back of the vehicle. Center the sleeve where you want it. Level it using the bottom of the window. Press the center of the sleeve so it sticks. And using one motion, peel the paper and press the sleeve at the same time so it's adhered to the window. Now you're going to want to seal the strip. Pull back, peel the protective strip, and from the center, push back at the top and also at the bottom. Take your finger, run it up and down the seal strip and around the edges, and you're ready to go. When you're ready to remove the document, take a hard plastic card, slide it in the corner, peel down. After the sleeve is removed from the vehicle, there's two options that you can have for the consumer. You can cut the sleeve open behind the seal strip and present the document to the customer, or as an added benefit for car enthusiasts, you can tri-fold or fold the document in half. That way it fits in the glove box for safekeeping.